Yeah.
This one's called Lesotho Red. And they make like potatoes. So you'll see like these are basically ready to harvest.
Oh, those look delicious
Yeah,
too.
these are so good.
Yeah, those they look beautiful. They're delicious.
Yeah, you see how
Very
dry
cool.
this soil is. Like,
Yeah.
it's so dry that the potatoes are coming out real clean.
So per plant, is this one plant that
Yeah.
it'll produce four? Or four to...
I mean, yeah, it should actually, so you take a look
Oh,
at
I
this.
see.
You see there's little baby ones on here. These could all grow into little potatoes if given the like adequate time.
Yeah, but some of these, will it risk the health of some of these bigger ones?
It's possible.
Okay,
But I think we actually have almost a month historically. Like I would harvest these around the end of May or the very first part of June.
Gotcha.
That's typically